Hi, this is Srinivasa Tirunagari. In the last class, we have seen arithmetic expressions in select statements and also we have seen null values in select statements. In this class, we are going to discuss about column aliases. The topics covered are column alias. The objective is you will be able to use column aliases wherever appropriate in the select statement. So, how do you define column aliases? Column aliases renames a column heading. We have column headings and you can rename that column heading with column alias. Column aliases are helpful in calculations. You write an expression, you can give a name to that expression as column alias. And column alias immediately follows the actual column name. We will see an example for this. You can use as keyword in between column name and alias name in the select class. If the alias name contains special characters or spaces, then you have to give double quotation marks. When displaying the result of a query, normally SQL developer uses the names of the selected columns as the column headings. We have seen in the previous examples in the previous classes, when you write in a select statement and select statement consists of column names, and the result set, the column names are appeared as headings of the columns. Sometimes this heading name may not be descriptive or difficult to understand. In that case, you can change the column heading by using column aliases. By default, column aliases appear in uppercase letters. Let us take an example. This query is retrieving two columns. One is last name, another is commission percent. So select last name as name. So last name is the column name. This name which is put it in this box is the alias name. So last name will appear as name in the heading of the result set. Similarly, commission percent. This is the column name and the alias name is given as com, simply com. But you observe this, in the first column we are using as keyword, this is optional. In the second column we are not using as, we are just simply putting a space between this alias name and column name. You see the result set, the headings are appeared as name and com. These are the results. The query can be executed in SQL Developer like this. You highlight this query and click on this green arrow mark and you will get the result. See, look at these column headings. Name, actually this is the column name as last name, and com, this is the heading. This is nothing but alias name given to the column name commission PCT. So the alias names here are name and com. Let us consider another example. Select last name. The alias name is put it in double quotation here. This is acceptable, comma. Salary into 12. This is an expression. Salary column value is multiplied by 12 and I am given a name, alias name to this expression as annual salary. In this annual salary, there is a space between annual and salary. That's why I put it in double quotation marks. It is required to put the alias name in double quotations if the name consists of special characters or a space in between the words. The result is shown here. So name is the name of the column, alias name, that is instead of last name the column name heading is name, and instead of the expression salary into 12, the heading takes as annual salary. Here I am executing the query consisting of aliases. Look at this, last name is having alias as name, which is written in quotation mark, double quotations, and salary into 12. This is a salary is a column name multiplied by 12. This is an expression, and I am giving alias name annual salary, put it in, which is written in double quotes, and I will execute this. You look at these headings. Name is a column heading, and annual salary is also column heading. This column heading name is written instead of last name, that is a column value, column name, and instead of expression, I am writing the annual salary is displayed. Thank you.